Yeah, 101.1 Smart FM, the Surat Indonesia Business and Inspiration. Good evening, smart listeners and viewers, wherever you're at. How are you? How's it going? Yes, of course, very good. Yeah, excellent and etc. And of course, every Wednesday, yeah, at 7 until 8 p.m. Of course, we are here in Start Up Your Life English discussion with English communities with me, Erdesam. And now, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, we would like to invite our guest, yeah, from several views communities, English communities, yeah, in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And yeah, we were waiting for our friend here, yeah, because here is empty, but let's play, yeah, we discuss, I would like to invite our guests one by one. Okay, I would like to start from you. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English community? How it looks like? And what about the agenda? Please come on.
Okay.
Time is yours.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Fikri Ahmad Zaki, but you can call me Fikri. I'm from BPEC. I'm now as a president of BPEC in this period.
President.
Yeah.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you. And our agenda is every week, every Sunday at 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. What do we do? Yeah, just usual, just discuss and talking about a random topic and
Random topic?
yeah, random topic.
People also?
Yeah, random people also. Sometimes
Okay.
we open for all age. It doesn't matter you are elementary school.
Random. Okay.
Even you are old. Even you are like your age like my grandpa. You come, you just come and chit chat with us.
Okay. What about the agenda? Schedule.
Yeah. The agenda is what I said before. We discuss something. We sometime in the second agenda we debate.
Yeah.
And sometime
10 a.m. until 2
Yeah,
p.m. right?
yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'll be back to you.
It's
Thank
okay.
you. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Fikri. Welcome back in our home. Yeah, our second home. Next, please, you know the clue, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, please. See the camera.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Zahra Fikratun Sakina, but you can call me Zahra. I am from English Youth Community or EUC as a secretary of UC now. And then
Okay, secretary.
Yeah, secretary.
Okay.
And then, as you know, guys, English Youth Community have the program is a very mindful because English Youth Community, one of community is in South Sulawesi and focus to learning and teaching. For example, free meeting, intensive meeting, and then we have a program, English Day and English Camp.
Oh,
Absolutely.
sounds interesting.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome back. Yeah,
thank you so much,
Zahra.
Kak. Yeah.
This is your second time, right?
Yes.
Third time?
Yes.
Second.
This is second.
Okay, welcome back.
Yes,
Yeah, in our
thank
second home.
you.
Next. Yeah, please introduce yourself to smart listeners and viewers, whatever. Yeah. What is your name? What is your English community? How it looks like, and what about the agenda? Come on, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
That's your
evening.
house, Wansan house.
Oh.
I'm Mulan from BEMSI.
Yeah.
It's one community in Makassar, and every Sunday we have two agenda and it started since last week.
Yeah.
A new agenda is about learning foreign language, and the second about discussion. And it always start every Sunday, start from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. in the
Okay,
afternoon.
totally.
Totally.
Okay, welcome back. Yeah, in our second half.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our
You.
second half. Okay, thank you. I'll be back to you. Give a applause for us, guys. Yes. Okay, as I mentioned, that I would like to spill our topic after invite them to introduce themselves one by one to you guys. And talking about our topic, this is a very relate with recently, sadly, because there is natural disaster. I don't know, this is a natural or artificial disaster, maybe both them. And this is really, really happened in our country, especially in Sumatra, yeah, and Aceh, Sumatra Utara. And of course, as a society, we will, at least we will contribute, we will discuss this. And one of a step to anticipate, or maybe like mengobati, how to say, no, mengobati, recover, yeah, recover, step for recover our forest is like we do like something about green, like a movement. And that's why our topic for this evening is green movements. Give it a applause for us. Yes, talking about green movements, we will talking maybe like serious, maybe little funny also, realistic, and etc. Yeah, talking about green movements, I would like to you, sister. Yeah, how do you think about our topic for this evening, green movements?
Mm, it's an interesting topic, but
Mhm.
because there's a disaster come today
Yeah.
in our country, and then it depends actually for
Mhm.
us how
Mhm.
to solve it.
So this is very relate, yeah,
Very
recently with the happen with our
Yeah,
country, right?
That's right.
Yeah. Okay. So you will keep your statement, or
Yes.
okay, keep it your statement. I'll be back to you. What about you, Fikri? What thoughts on your mind about our topic for this evening?
Okay. Before that, I will say that it's sadly accident actually.
Yeah. Right.
And just give a donation for our brother in there. If you
Mhm.
want to give a donation, maybe you can give to other people
Mhm.
that who need, and who community that open donation for that. I think you can do that. For me, it's not really we can say it's not a natural disease. I think it's artificial disease for me.
Artificial.
For
Oh my
me.
God.
We cannot judge this as natural, because why? We
Mhm.
know that there is deforestation in there.
Yeah.
I think it's not talking about artificial and natural disease, but it is artificial disease for me,
Oh
in
my God.
my perspective.
Oh my God, this is very controversial. Your statement very controversial. Okay, but keep your statement. I'll be back to you. I move to Zahra. Yes, Zahra. You know, our topic is very related, but you know, the disaster is sounds negative, but the green movement sounds positive. So, how do you think about our topic?
Okay, also, in my opinion, about
Mhm.
the green movements is
Mhm.
very important because now, as we know, in Sumatra is a very sadly accident, and a flood is very dangerous.
Mhm.
And then in green movement can handle
Mhm.
it these situations
Mhm.
because in green movements everyone can anticipate and
Mhm.
have contribute like we have green like a tree
Mhm.
can share in the whole country maybe.
Mhm, mhm.
And then we can, and now we can help the another people in the Sumatra.
Mhm.
Like we can share the
Mhm.
information
Mhm.
in social media.
Oh
Maybe that's
yeah,
all.
to how to say to broadcast, yeah,
Yes.
to share to
Share,
another
yeah.
people's that maybe and how peoples can send like
Yes.
charity, yeah, helping them,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. this is very interesting. And I back to you. I underline your statement. Your statement are very hard. Yeah, I mean, because you say that the floods, in Sumatra is artificial disaster, not natural disaster. But I say about them, but you say this is not natural, this is artificial. How do you? Why do you say like that? Okay, come on.
Okay, first of all, we think, where is this flood from?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you're talking about the flood, it means like there is something wrong in the how to say how they manage the forest,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
They actually, if we see if there is no deforestation
Mhm.
in around of the forest,
Yeah.
in around of the forest, in river, there
Mhm.
is no flood. Just think logically.
Mhm.
Okay, if there is no menebang,
Mhm.
cut, like
Cut.
if you cut the forest,
Mhm.
it's mean like there is no forest to keep the water in the earth, like
Mhm.
if there's no something else, there is no if there is something
Mhm.
don't hold the water in the earth.
Mhm.
I mean, like,
You make like the root of the tree.
yeah, the root
Like
of the tree.
catch the water, save the
Yeah.
water.
That's what I mean.
If
If
the
there is-
soil and inside of soil,
the
right?
inside of soil.
Uh-huh.
If there is not something cut of the water,
Mhm.
it's mean like you keep the earth
Mhm.
fluidly in the river. It's mean
Mhm.
like, oh, there is a connection between you cut the forest
Mhm.
and the fluid.
Mhm.
And I think if it is legal, there is
legal.
if
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
if there is legal,
Mhm.
there is like how to say policy to manage that.
Mhm.
But we can see even the policy must have to know
Mhm.
what is the risk
Mhm.
in the future if there is deforestation quickly.
Mhm. Mhm.
For me, it's not like a natural disaster for me.
Mhm.
It's like artificial.
Yeah, it
Something
sounds
else,
like
something
in
else.
bahasa kesengajaan sebenarnya.
Yeah,
Oh
for
my
me.
god, it's very sensitive. Okay, thank you. I'll back to you. So I'll back to you. Yeah, talking about this. This phenomena recently, it's floods in everywhere in Sumatra. So very sadly, so Fikri said that this is like artificial disaster. How do you think? Is this natural? If this artificial or both them, and why?
Depends on your opinion.
Mhm.
Depends on your mind.
Mhm.
If you know that, if you think that Scrum it's artificial,
Mhm.
you have to prove it.
Mhm.
Don't say that it's artificial, but you don't the witness
Mhm.
to prove it. You
Mhm.
be careful with that.
So
Statement.
it's depend on the
Depends on
perspective.
perspective.
So maybe yeah, maybe no.
No, maybe
it's depend on the data.
Yes, we don't know.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
have no data accurately
Mhm.
about that one.
Mhm. Okay. So you want to make addition or you keep your statement?
No, just skip.
Just keep. Okay, you keep your statement. Okay. Okay. I move to Zahra. Fikri say this is artificial. So our sister say it's depend on your mindset. Yeah. I say both them. So what about you? This happen floods in Sumatra in all of area. Actually, what the factors? Yeah. Please. Okay, it's okay. Okay, come
Okay,
on.
maybe to the factor is a
Mhm.
fluid in the Sumatra because from human too, because we can in the situation when you don't reduce the plastic and
Mhm.
you cut the trees,
Mhm.
this is like, dampak
Mhm.
yes
Effect.
yeah effect
Mhm.
to a flood coming. And then this is very certainly, and then we can anticipate this situation
Yeah.
if you can implementations about green movements.
Ah,
Yeah.
exactly. Oh, it's interesting. Okay, welcome. Please, yeah, newcomer. Please introduce yourself to smart listeners. What is your name? Who is your name? Yes, and what is your English club? And how looks like your English club? What about the agenda? Please
Okay.
say it to the camera.
Hello everyone. So let me introduce myself. My
Mhm.
name is Aiki Laili Adawiyah, but everyone calling me Kiki. And then
Kiki,
yes,
do you love
Kiki.
me? Kiki, gitu ya.
Not like a song.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Continue. I'm
Yes.
kidding.
Okay. And then I'm from the English Education Department
Mhm.
at University Islamic and University Islamic and Negeri Alauddin Makassar.
Okay.
Then I'm sorry to come lately.
It's okay. It's
Okay.
okay. Okay. It's time to
Okay.
you for explain
Then-
about this your community.
Yeah.
So what about the agenda?
This agenda very well, and then I feel so happiness to become here.
Mhm.
Then I'm feels either my first time and then my first experience
Okay.
to visit.
Congratulations.
Yes, thank
welcome.
you. Then I think that's all about all of me.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Back to the topic. Our topic is green movements. So how do you think about this topic for this evening? Give your opinion.
Okay, thank you. Well, when I hear about the topic green
Mhm.
movements, I think this is not first time I heard,
Ah, yeah.
because when I was in a high school,
Mhm.
I have heard about the topic before. I
Mhm.
saw my juniors.
Mhm.
I saw my juniors to doing something similar, like greening up the greenhouse,
Mhm.
then make some build new innovation.
Mhm.
Before the greenhouse it will be make up. It
Mhm.
will be built like in the cage. Then for the how to say merpati
Pigeon.
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 Okay,
Yeah.
the pigeon, and then of the types of birds.
Ah.
I see like that.
Hey, cool.
Yes.
So how do you feel now visit here for the first time to broadcast and to be a representative of the seat?
Actually, I feel so happiness, and then so very get opportunity, cause this is my first time, and then maybe the next I come to early.
Gitu, yeah.
Yes.
Sure, welcome. This because this is the golden opportunity,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, sorry because I have many questions for you.
Yeah.
Not really many because yeah you are the new, so they are already I asked. That's why I ask you again. Yeah, for this next question is, there are many opinion about the our country, especially for recently happened in our country like floods in Sumatra.
Yes,
This
I
is
see.
this is talking relate about environmental
Yeah.
habitat,
Yeah.
ecosystem, natural forest, yeah, something like that. And there are opinion that this is because artificial disaster, natural disaster, yeah, and etc. So how do you think about this? What the factors these floods happened in Sumatra?
Okay, well, when we talk about the factors,
Mhm.
maybe this all terjadi.
Happened.
Yeah, that happens
Mhm.
of the humans,
Okay.
cause the of many things sorry, I mean
Mhm.
serakah maybe ya.
You may combine your English and bahasa when
Sorry.
you start to put Indonesia. Do not hesitate to do it.
Yeah, sorry,
Mhm.
because it is I'm a first semester, so maybe I don't have many vocabulary.
No, it's
Sorry,
okay. Come on.
Sorry.
Go ahead. It's okay.
It's okay, this
Mm.
okay. Oke, berbicara mengenai faktornya, jadi sepertinya itu adalah suatu hal yang kayak disengaja. Kenapa disengaja? Tentunya tidak lebih daripada hutan yang ada di Sumatera itu
Mhm.
tersisa hanya 18%.
Mhm.
Tentunya itu bukan sebuah bencana
Oh,
yang
you know the data 18%. Oh my god.
I
Continue.
because I see the news
On
in
the TV.
on the TV.
Okay, okay.
Iya. 18% tersisa
Mhm.
karenanya itu tidak mungkin karena faktor takdir,
Mhm.
karena sudah lama terjadi penebangan hutan ini, dan juga akibatnya banyak sekali animals
Mhm.
yang terusik habitsnya, terusik the rantai makanannya,
Mhm.
karena itu tempat tinggalnya diusik oleh manusia itu sendiri.
Okay, thank you. Yes, yeah, it's interesting talking about, talking about green movements, of course, like my, it's green, right? Yeah. Okay, talking about the green movements, of course, movements like the way you do step to, how to say, pelihara, to anticipate, minimize, or recover the forest, our ecosystem, and something like that. Okay, Zahra, what is the example to recover forest? Apa contoh-contoh untuk merecover hutan? Yeah. Not only forest, actually, in our ecosystem, in our environment, to do like green movements. Seperti apa saja tuh?
Okay, well, and maybe, in my opinion, to
Yeah.
capai
Mhm.
the goals, green environment, green movements.
Yeah.
Is we have don't cut the forests actually, and then you can implementation about 2 point in sustainable development goals in point 15 and 13 about climate change and life on land.
Sustainable Development Goals,
Yes,
SDGs.
yes, SDGs. Yes.
Okay,
Because
okay.
it's in sustainable development goals have the 17 17 points
Yeah,
from United Nations.
yeah,
And
right.
you must can implementation about the sustainable development goals.
Mhm.
That's why we can reduce the all plastic, and
Yeah.
you can try to make it tumbler maybe. And as you know, guys, in social media is very happening about
Tumblr.
Tumblr Tuku.
Uh-huh.
And maybe that's very important to have this because this is
Because
one-
Tumblr to reduce plastic. Yeah.
yes, reduce
Okay.
plastic, and this is one impact can
Uh-huh.
impact the all people and the planet, of course.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I move to Sister Hulan. Yeah. So which one do you mean about the green movements on your versions?
For me, don't throw rubbish
Mm-hmm.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Then you have to use reusable bag.
Okay. Reusable bag.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And then actually back to ourselves how to do.
Awareness.
Yeah, awareness.
Uh-uh.
Okay, then just for me like that. And first just like that. Be
Save the earth.
serve the earth.
Yeah. Mm.
Just like that.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, I move to you. Who is your name? Sorry.
Kiki.
Kiki. Okay, Kiki like the book. Okay, Kiki. Which one do you mean green movement steps? For example, which one?
For example, for the green movements is ketika kita ingin melakukan sebuah perubahan saat seperti contohnya kita ingin mengembalikan kondisi bumi kita, terlebih melihat cuaca juga yang pancaroba, longsor di mana-mana, juga banjir terjadi kapan saja. Nah, itu salah satunya kita bisa cegah, itu tidak menebang pohon atau bahkan menanam satu pohon sehari boleh.
Satu pohon sehari. Are you sure?
Program. I mean,
Maybe one tree, one house, one tree, something like
I
that.
think
That is irrational, right?
yeah.
One point.
I mean like that. Then reduce the plastic, mengurangi penggunaan sampah plastik, dan juga tentunya kita tidak apa istilahnya kita menjaga lingkungan dengan tidak membuang sampah sembarangan
Oh
tentunya.
yeah, makes sense.
Yes. Dan jika ditanya tentang kepedulian itu kembali kepada kitanya masing-masing,
Yeah.
tentang awareness, ya, awareness untuk peduli pada lingkungan sekitar.
Okay, thank you, makes sense.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kiki.
Yes,
I move to you. Yeah, what is this? Yellow? Not pages? Yellow pages. I think yellow pages. No. Okay. Yeah. Talking about green movements, which one do you mean on your version? Green movements. Green movements. Which one do you think
It's
on
important.
your versions?
I think for me, not and the important one for this situation is plant the tree first for me.
Okay.
If in this situation,
Plants
because-
the trees.
yes, plant the
Okay.
tree
In your backyard.
in the forest,
In the
absolutely.
forest, not in the backyard. In everywhere, maybe.
I think it's depend on the government policy. But I think the emergency one in the forest for me, and after that you must make a policy that the society, the citizens must have to throw away the rubbish in the rubbish can.
Okay.
It is important because why? The main factor of the fluid is citizen membuang sampah sembarangan. It is the second step.
Not only citizen but also natives. All of people.
All of the people.
In the village, in the town, in
Yeah.
everywhere,
Okay.
Okay.
For the third step, you must recycle the rubbish.
Oh yeah.
It is important
For
for us.
example, to recycle.
Like you can make art from that rubbish. For example, you can make art craft like gantungan kunci or something else.
Si gantungan kunci sih.
It depends on the person what they wanna use. I saw in social media there is a person who made a table from the recycled trash.
Oh wow.
Really?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
rubbish.
Like also like from the garbage batako,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It is true. So you can recycle the rubbish. Not only how to say you burn it. You can recycle that also.
Oh yeah. Recycle, reuse, 3R. I don't know. I forget with it.
Reuse and I forgot the one.
Recycle, reuse, reduce.
Reduce.
Yeah, reduce, 3R.
And we not always to reduce like we burn it, right? We also can recycle or maybe make something else from that rubbish.
Yeah.
That's all for me.
Okay, good. Now, still talking, smart listeners, wherever you are, we still talking about green movements. Of course, you can give comment in our YouTube channel, Smart FM Makassar, and give the idea about our topic for this evening, of course. And while we're waiting, our friends to share, the information about green movements. That's why this is very important to us to save the earth. For keberlangsungan hidup anak cucu kita. Please translate. Yeah, if you stuck in English, you might put bahasa, right? Okay. Which one? Okay, you again. Okay. What is the positive lesson the disasters happen in our country? Apa sih hikmahnya bencana itu terjadi di negeri kita? What is the positive lesson?
Well, talking about positive
Lessons. Yes.
Atau hikmah di balik bencana yang terjadi saat ini, yaitu pertama tentunya akan meningkatkan kepedulian kita, tidak hanya terhadap sesama tetapi juga terhadap lingkungan tentunya, karena di mana sebagian besar daripada keberlangsungan hidup itu ada pada alam.
Alam.
Iya, betul.
Ya, alam. Continue.
Tentunya pada alam, di mana sebagian besar juga itu kita dapatkan dari hasil bumi itu sendiri, yang tentunya tidak dapat digantikan secara mentah-mentah dengan olahan tangan manusia itu sendiri. Artinya apa? Ketika kita membuat sesuatu, tentu ada konsekuensinya, dan di balik konsekuensi itu tentu kita harus mempertanggungjawabkan segalanya, di mana kita tidak boleh hanya tahu memperoleh, tetapi kita juga harus tahu menikmati, tetapi kita juga harus tahu untuk memperoleh kembali, menumbuhkan kembali.
Okay, please, smart listeners, translate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you. I'll back to you again. So, what is the positive lesson of disasters happen in our country?
Okay, I think that is always that we cannot change the part of the human as control of the nature.
Yeah.
Because they have their own rule. We cannot change the rule of the. We cannot like we are the king in this earth. We part of the nature, and we cannot like how to say rakus. Greedy.
Yeah.
Greedy. We cannot greedy, just taking the, and we cannot. We don't.
Spicy,
not spicy.
because you say.
No. I'm thinking.
Oh, you're
I'm
thinking.
thinking.
Okay.
And we cannot just take it and let it go.
Let it go.
Yeah.
Like
You-
frozen. Yeah. Like frozen.
You must,
Continue.
if you had cut some forest, you must to plant it up again. And if you throw,
And it a long time, very very long time,
Yeah.
right? To make the tree, it's like a bigger, higher. and
that's
etc.
right. It is our consequences because we cut the forest. It is our consequence. The nature alarm us.
Yeah.
Give us warning to do not greedy. So that's why they give us warning to do not do not do that again. So that's why they give us warning.
That's why this happened.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll move to you. What is the positive lesson that we can take of disaster it happened in Indonesia?
The first one, we can be respect for each other, and the second, we can save the environment, and just like that.
Come on.
Hey, what happened? Actually,
eight.
okay,
Make
and
addition.
then we
Too
can,
short.
Actually, we can be respect with each other and how to give them donate, but please
yeah.
don't make statement like it's because
Like
something.
flexing, yeah?
Yeah.
Like flexing.
Don't
I
do like
donate
that.
and
Yeah. Don't
yeah.
say like that.
Yeah.
It comes. It must be come from your heart how to do it, and then start from ourselves. Don't litter everywhere. Keep the area clean by
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah.
If you find the rubbish, take it and throw
Lisa.
to Risa.
Sampah ambil. Okay, thank you. Back to you. Okay, what about you, Sarah? What is your version? What is the positive lesson you can take in your life? This disaster happened.
Okay, in the situations, we can a reminder God greatness, and then same like Kak Wulan, we can respect in each other, and the first step to make it this situation is the all individuals, communities, and to all everyone. Actually, we can protecting before a future in this planet, because we can't we can save the earth before ketika when
Ketika cinta betas
when
pun-
we can imply the green movement actually. So we must to sadar, consider about the situation and save the earth.
Okay, thank you. Give it a applause for us, guys. Yeah, very interesting to talking about green movements. And yeah, my next question is, goes to you again. What kind of best help to help them as korban bencana? How to say in English? Sorry, victim of disaster. What the best of help and why?
Okay, for me, I will give two perspective. For the rich one, I don't want to discriminate. Okay,
As a rich one,
as a rich one,
Yes.
you can donate for our brother in there, or for donate or something else you can bring, maybe clothes or medicine, or aid or something else.
Yeah.
Really important in there, like goods or something else. And for maybe like us, we can, how to say, pray. We can pray for them. We wish there is no, this is not bencana alam susulan. Semoga. We wish. That's all for me.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's like a primary medicine. Yeah, medicine next switch or something like that.
Yep.
Okay, give your statement. I move. Okay, is that what the best of helping people's like a victims of disaster? Which one is the best on your version?
Okay, actually, same like Zaki, Kak Fikri. Sorry,
Fikir?
Kak Fikri.
Fikri.
Yes. We can donate to all people in the Sumatra, and then we can give the clothes, medicine, food, water, and attentions, and we can share absolutely the information in the social media for open donation and help the saudara in Sumatra. Yes. Yeah, maybe that's all.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah. Kiki, you get my point? You get my point?
Maybe I have point just the same. Like
Please
primary
explain.
to helpful like medicine, clothes, and then maybe food or drink for the helps the kebutuhan sehari-harinya. Dan tentunya kita harus sama berdoa untuk tidak adanya kembali bencana susulan. I think like that.
Okay, basically same.
Yeah.
Okay,
the same.
what about you?
Same with them. The first one, then you can open the net and then give them first about beverages, what they need for daily needs, and then the second about clothes, and the most important is about water, fresh water. We have water.
Yeah, not
Yeah, just like that.
Okay, so like primary help, like makanan ya, foods,
Beverages.
beverages, medicine, clothes. Yeah. What about the data? Data pulsa? No.
No,
need.
there is signal for them actually in this situation.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my next question. So it's talking about phenomena, disaster, green movements. Yeah, of course, because the earth is adapt with the human. Sometimes earth give us like positive energy. They peace with us, and sometimes they mengamuk ya, like this. And what is the consequence, according your opinion, after the disaster? I start from you. What is the consequence after the disasters? Apa dampak atau konsekuensi yang
Yes.
dirasa setelah bencana
Okay,
seperti
the
itu?
impact for the flood in
Mm-mm.
Sumatra, I think the old bangunan di suatu daerah itu akan rusak tentunya, and then the signal hilang.
Is off. Is
all-
off.
Yes, missing the signal, and then we cannot talking in the social media about this situation. That's why yesterday the bantuan telat datang. Jadi ini make it this very susah untuk akses sampai di lokasi the flood. Yeah, maybe
Okay,
that's all
Kiki,
for this.
okay, Kiki, what is the consequence or the effect after the disaster happened?
For talking about consequence, it is there many things like mungkin seperti yang sudah disampaikan juga, tentunya akan banyak sekali konsekuensi. Salah satunya yaitu ketidakpemerataannya pembangunan dan membuat tanah semakin rendah atau secara akan tenggelam karena pergeseran dan juga adanya pengikisan atau abrasion.
Okay.
For the
I like
soil.
your Indonesian statement. It's very detailed.
Yeah. Okay. Dan juga ketika itu sudah terjadi pergeseran, tentunya tidak hanya manusia yang berdampak dan juga hewan. Tentu saja kedepannya tidak ada lagi sesuatu yang bisa kita simpankan mengenai keindahan alam Indonesia.
Okay, asik. Okay,
I think that's
Sister
all.
Wulan. So, what is the consequence or the effect after disasters happened?
The first one, we lost the access how to donate for them, and then most of them lost their family, their relative, and then for students, they don't get education.
Oh yeah.
Of course, it can be make our generation will be stuck again. If there is no communication, there is no help from the government, so we can access how to donate for them.
Okay. So like life is not, how to say, it's not balanced, it's not, tidak berputar ya, kehidupan itu tidak berputar. No, it's stuck, something like that. Okay, thank you. What about you? What is the effect or the consequence after the disaster?
Okay, I will separate the natural disaster in a two part. First one is the flood, and the second one is
Longsor.
How to say again? Mudslide. For the mudslide, the access of the city will be closed because of the mud. And for the second, it will take a korban jiwa begitu. And for the city one, I think we know that the school will close the access because of the flood, and for the who lost from family, like mereka they can't give the information of the family, and the construction of the city will be slowly.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Sister Wulan, yeah. What is your conclusion and what is your message to smart listeners to do green movements? Come on.
For it, just save the earth.
Mm-mm.
Start from ourselves.
Mhm.
Don't blame each other. Just like that. Yeah, just like that. For example, don't litter everywhere. Like in Singapore,
Oh yeah.
we can get penalty if we do that.
Oh wow.
And then start from us. Actually, don't throw rubbish everywhere. Don't throw. Start from because it makes. I got the impact for that one 2 weeks ago.
Oh
Because
yeah.
of that.
Yeah.
I
Oh my
already
God.
I already got the impact.
Yeah. Because of the dryness,
And dryness,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
And it's too late for
And
the
back
government.
back to awareness,
Yes,
self-awareness.
awareness.
Oh my God. Yeah, this is very
Very-
personal awareness.
Yeah.
Yeah. Back again.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What about you? What is your conclusion with our topic and the message for the smart listeners?
Okay, thanks for the change.
Yeah.
My message for our watchers is maybe we have to play safe the earth.
Mhm.
Then I agree the pendapatnya Kak Wulan tadi, yaitu mulailah dari diri kita sendiri
Okay.
dan jangan pedulikan apa kata orang lain,
Mhm.
lakukan dan juga kerjakan.
Mhm.
Tentunya harus dengan kesadaran dari diri sendiri.
Okay.
Dan harus mungkin memberlakukan aturan seperti penalti atau denda,
Yeah.
penalti atau denda agar kita lebih sadar terhadap lingkungan dan juga diri kita terhadap sekitar. Ya, itu saja.
Okay, thank you, Kiki. Okay, Zahra, what is your conclusion for our topic for this evening, and what is your message to smart listeners to do green movements?
Okay, and my conclusion and message for this topic about green movements is same like Kak Wulan, start from yourself,
Yeah.
and you can support the program from Sustainable Development Goals, I guess, and then you can reduce, reuse, and recycle for save the planets, of course, and then you can't senantiasa
Always.
always awareness social especially
like
in
your style.
Indonesia.
Yo,
Yeah.
come on.
Yes, maybe that's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Zahra. Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion?
I think I will same with you guys, with Wulan. We have to save our earth first. And for the government, I think you have to make a policy that someone who throw rubbish sembarangan itu, you must to give them penalty, punishment to them. I think it's really the penalty harus berat. It's really must.
Okay, so what is your message to smart listeners to do green movements?
I think you must to recycle the rubbish after. If you cannot recycle, at least you throw the rubbish into rubbish can. And maybe you can, how to say, like and support community that support the green movement.
Okay, thank you guys. Give it a applause for us. Thank you, Sister Wulan from BMC. Thank you, Kiki from SIT. Yeah, Thank you, Zahra from EUC. Thank you, Fikri from BPEC. Thank you guys for coming. Yeah, hope you see you all guys for the next change. That's all, smart listeners, wherever you are, our English communities. Yes, part of your live English discussion. And I hope, of course, you guys, yeah, wherever you are, always health, yes, and safe the earth. Yeah, that's all our conversation or discussion for this evening. See you for the next time. See you. Bye bye. Good evening. Good night.